But I'll tell you something about Deepika, and this is why I think her casting was absolutely genius. She has seen these beats, these emotions, these beats of life, of a life journey, and these emotions in her very home. You know, she has her father who's a professional sportsman, and her mother who supported him and was really the wind beneath his wings and propelled him to achieve everything that he did. So she has seen this and experienced this firsthand in her very home. So that dynamic between Romiji and Kapilji, she understands better than anybody, which is why I think that casting was a stroke of genius. And I would have to agree with you, sir. She brings a kind of energy to the film that is just very special and really invaluable and lights up the screen. And it's all come together, this film, whether it's Deepika's casting or the casting of the boys who are such fine actors, and put their best foot forward, whether it's the technicians or the talent or anybody who's associated with this film. I always feel like this film has some kind of divine blessing. You know, the way it's come together, you know, we held on, in spite of the lockdown, the pandemic. It was supposed to release. Today we're here and we see the response to the trailer, we see the kind of pre-release anticipation, we see the kind of responses. Let me tell you, the first public screening in Jeddah, I was there at the very end, and when the lights came on, I can't tell you what people were experiencing. You know, it was just the energy in that room was so special, and that's going to happen now in cinema halls across the country and across the world. I think what these gentlemen achieved in 83 has such divine power till date that all of those blessings, all of that karmic equity is coming back and blessing our film. It's truly special, a film that I am sure every Indian will be proud once they see it.